Namaste friends, welcome back to Pavi Tech Zone. In this video, we are going to learn how to move from one activity to another activity with the help of button. Let's start. Open activity main.xml, change the text to activity 1 and change the text size, give it as 60 sp, and we need a button to move from one activity to another activity. For that, go to design and drag the button below the text view and set the constraints to the button and change the size of the button, make it little bit larger. Go to code, change the text to move to second. To move for second activity, we need to create another activity. For that, go to Java, activity, create an empty activity and name it as second activity. Click on finish. Open the XML file, split, take a text view inside the layout, set the constraints, split, change the text to activity 2, text size as 60 sp. To move from one activity to another activity, we use onClick listener. We have to assign our ID to the button to access it. For that, open activity main.xml. As you can see here, if the button is already dragged and dropped, means the ID will be given by the Android Studio itself. So I will change it to move. Go to main activity.java. First declare a variable of type button. I will give it as move. Now we will set the button ID to the variable inside onCreate method. Move equals to find view by ID r.id.move. Now we have to set onClick listener. For that, type variable name move dot set onClick listener new view onClick listener. So to move from one activity to another activity, we use intent. For that, intent equals to new intent. It takes two parameter, current activity and destination activity. So our current activity is main activity. We should pass our main activity dot this comma. So our destination activity is second activity dot class. Start activity, and we should pass the intent. So our code is completed. Now I will run my project to show you the output. Click on run button. So as you can see, we have got the text view with activity 1 and the button to move from one activity to another activity. Now if I click on the button, it should move to the second activity. So when I click on the button, as you can see, it has moved to second activity. So this was all about today's video. If you are happy with my video, please give the like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.